Hey guys, quick video on RV stuff, storage. Maybe you have some cars and you're having problems with kind of rodents. So I do a lot of off-grid camping out in the middle of nowhere, and you got mice, you got rats, you got rabbits, and I'll give you a quick story. So I went to pick up my new Sprinter van in Colorado. We already had the VIN number, I already had it picked out, it was everything, and I get there, and as they're doing final inspection before the sale of the vehicle, the inside of it had been eaten, and they said it was rabbits, which was crazy. Never heard of rabbits, but whether it was a squirrel, whether a rat, it destroyed the inside, basically eating all that firewall up and making a nice big nest in there. So, and then along with that, obviously wires, they like the taste of wires for some reason. So I found something online that you guys may be interested in, and it's for vehicles, and there's two of them. So if you have an RV that's pretty big or longer, you know, the range will even be better. But this is what it looks like, and you can see a little cat face there, which is kind of deserving, as the cats like to eat mice and rats and stuff. So what it does is you basically turn it on, and it's got lights top and bottom, but it makes a noise as well. So after a while, when you're driving around or moving, if the vehicle is moving, this doesn't turn on. It has a sensor in it that tells that it knows that, hey, the vehicle is driving. But when it sits long enough, it does all that, and it makes a little bit of this weird noise as well. So I wanted to show you where I mounted them. I'm turning it off. But what's nice about it is if you are going to run it to a vehicle, you can, one, just put batteries in the back. Two, you got your ground and your positive wires that basically plug into the back here. And then you also have, if you're, where's it at? You can also run it with a USB style cable. So if you want to put it in the cabinet that has USB, you don't have to worry about trying to find a ground and also power. So right now I put one set in the front of the engine, and I'll show that video. And then I'm going to mount this one in the back compartments as well. So basically have something in the front where it's very expensive. Not that the whole thing's not, but where all the wires are and the looms and the expensive stuff if it gets all chewed up. And then in the back as well to kind of, you know, make that circle of stay away from my vehicle kind of thing a little bit larger. So I think it was 59 bucks or something on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But just having a little bit of security, knowing while you're out boondocking or you're camping somewhere for the night, you don't have to worry about new travelers showing up and destroying your vehicle. So there has been things where people will lift the hood up and they'll keep a flashlight shining in all night while you're sleeping. I think that's kind of a pain in the butt. And then when you can just do something like this. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. See you on the next one.